Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Interactive Brokers account. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and locate the Open Account button, typically found at the top right. You'll then select your desired account type, such as an individual or joint account, and specify your country of residence. Next, you'll input your personal details, including your full name, current address, and contact information, ensuring all entries are accurate for verification purposes. Moving on, you'll need to provide your financial information. This includes your employment status, annual income, and total net worth, which helps Interactive Brokers assess your suitability for trading. You'll also describe your investment objectives, such as growth or income, and outline your trading experience with different products like stocks or options. Finally, indicate your risk tolerance and the approximate amount of capital you plan to deposit, which can be as little as $100 for some accounts. Now, let's configure your account. You'll choose your base currency, which is the currency your account will primarily operate in, and select any additional trading permissions you might need for specific markets or products. Carefully review all the agreements and disclosures, then electronically sign them to confirm your understanding and acceptance. Once that's complete, you can fund your account using various methods, such as an ACH transfer, a wire transfer, or a bill payment, with minimums often starting around $100. Finally, the verification and activation stage. You'll be prompted to upload identification documents, typically a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, to confirm your identity. Additionally, you'll need to provide proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, dated within the last 3 months. After submitting these documents, Interactive Brokers will review your application, which usually takes a few business days, before fully activating your new trading account, allowing you to begin investing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.